Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Conflict management. It's a process of limiting the negative aspects of conflict while increasing the positive aspects of conflict. The aim of conflict management is to enhance learning and the group outcomes, including effectiveness or performance in an organizational setting. Now come towards the three basic types of conflicts. First is conflict with the self. When a person is confused in two paths, in right and wrong, it's called conflict with the self. Second is conflict with others. When you have the conflict with others' opinion, when you contradict with others' opinion. Number three is conflict with the environment. When an environment is not according as you demand. Conflict with the self, the internal battle a lead character has within, is often the most powerful conflict. So here is the positive point of conflict with the self. If conflict is right, it can bring a huge positive change, not even in a person, but also affects the whole environment. The question is, what are the causes of conflicts? First cause is finger pointing. When a person ignores his own mistakes and blaming others, it's called finger pointing. Number two is misunderstanding. It's a major cause of conflicts and it's because of lack of communication and because of poor communication. Number third is personality clash. Everyone has different nature, so you have to play just your own role and that's it. Number four is competition of resources. Again, everyone is not same, even if resources are not same. So stay happy on what you have. Fifth is authority issue. Authority have difference of opinion and authority may be more dominant and demanding. So authority issues are occurring mostly in organizations. Lack of cooperation. Even if in domestic level, in spouse, in parents and children relationship, in organizational structure, lack of communication is a main cause of conflicts. If you feel lack of cooperation, took initiative for yourself at your own. It's not necessary that other also wants the same. So do something for yourself. What are the resolutions of conflict? It's necessary to talk directly to the authorities and assuming that there is no threat of physical violence, talk directly to the person to whom you have the problem. Then choose a good time, use wisdom and ask for yourself that is it right time to talk or not. Plan a strategy in short and elaborated form and avoid from exaggeration. Don't blame or name call of any person even if you are sure about anyone regarding such conflicts. Give true and straightforward information. Listen as listening is more important than talk. And not only listen, show that you are listening. Talk it all through. It means to help someone to understand or to do something by explaining it step by step in a very careful way.